Good, happy Sunday morning to you, fellow project managers. My name is Tim McDermott, and I'm a software development project manager here in Tampa, Florida. Beautiful, beautiful Tampa, Florida. And today I'm standing in front of a new building. They're building a new building. You can see the construction behind me. And there's a tie-in to today's subject. Today I'm doing a series of speeches on common project management challenges, and one common technology project management challenge is the build versus buy decision. Therefore, I am standing in front of new construction, aka a new building. In software development projects, there's often the option of either purchasing off-the-shelf software or building it yourself, and you have to make that decision pretty early on in your project planning. Therefore, which do you choose? So I'm going to go over the pros and the cons of each. I'll start first with building. What is the advantages, the pros of building your own application? It is, of course, one major advantage is you get custom fit application. You build your own application around your own business processes. So it's a better match, better fit for your business. Number two is you have more control. If you develop the application yourself, you control when you need a new feature, you build it immediately, you get it immediately. You build it your way, you build it whenever you want, whichever way you want. And it's a very good thing to have on your side when you're doing a project. Now for the buy side. What are the pros on the buy side? Well, since you're not building the software, you don't have to pay for all that expense of building the software. Therefore, buying software is a little bit cheaper, initially cheaper, not throughout the life of the application. But the other advantage on the buy side is the speed of deployment. You don't have to wait for the application to be built, because it's already built. You just have to set it up. You just have to get access to it online, the software as a service access, and configure it. The vendor will usually help you do the configuration, so that makes it easier. But then the major con on the buy side is the licensing fees. You pay through the nose on these licensing fees. You pay per user. You can pay $1,000 or more per user for each user license. So it can be very expensive. Initially the costs are low, but over the life of the software, the expense could get very large due to those licensing fees. Those are the pros and the cons. The main thing is, if you're trying to develop an application just for the purpose of it's going to give your company some sort of competitive advantage over your competition, then that would be an application that you'd want to build yourself. Otherwise, routine administrative type software, HR applications, etc., and accounting packages, etc., you typically buy them, rent them off software as a service. They're pretty cheap. That's it. And now I'm going to leave this construction site before they run me off, because I'm probably not supposed to be here. Thank you very much.